Well, Deric, just like last week, you introduced the concept of making another fun end of the year episode. So what do you have for us this week?
All right, so I don't know if y'all remember, Zach, you probably don't remember it all, but a couple of years ago, y'all ranked the tool brands. Zach got hammered. We lost the after show.
No, it still exists.
It's still out there?
It's on Patreon.
Oh, on Patreon.
Yeah.
Patreon
if you scroll
only.
far enough back on Patreon, you can see me get blackout.
Yeah, so I figured we can maybe do that again. But we'll do it like a March Madness bracket style. I've randomly assigned the first round to the both of y'all to go head to head, and you have a minute each to try and convince me of your tool brand. It's going to move on to the next bracket. Here's the fun part. In the next bracket, you may or may not be defending the same tools.
Oh, interesting.
So I might take Ryobi to the end. Zach might get Ryobi next round.
Like you could start with Cobalt in the first round, defending it, and then in the next round, you have to defend something against Cobalt.
Okay. Is it randomized?
The first round is completely random, and the assignments are completely random. And then for the second round, I've randomized who's going to get which slot. So as they move down, it's pretty random.
Oh, okay. I like this. 1 minute.
My biggest concern is that I'm going to get a tool brand that I just know nothing about.
Well, this is what we do. We're on YouTube.
Right?
We get paid to make stuff up.
True. You just have to convince me, somebody who knows less than you.
Yes.
So there we go.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the thing. And Deric, you don't have to say it's Milwaukee versus, I don't know, Hart or whatever.
Right.
We all know Milwaukee's better. But if one of us can substantiate the claim better, is that who's going to win?
Yeah, whoever can convince me.
Okay, that's fair.
Yep.
I'm excited.
All right, so just to set the stage, I'll list all of the brands, and then I'll give you both your first round.
Okay.
All right, so for the qualifier round, all the brands we have are going to be Cobalt, Rigid, Skill, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Black & Decker, Power Fist, DeWalt, Metabo, Hercules, Craig, Craftsman, Makita, Flex, Bosch, Festool. Zach, you're going first. Eric, you're going second.
Okay.
Eric, you're going to be given Rigid.
Oh.
Zach, you've got Cobalt.
I've got Cobalt?
Yeah.
Is this a plant?
That's random. That's how it came out.
Oh my God. I can't. You better not clip this out of context and it's me defending Rigid.